Morning, how is everybody today? Hope everybody's okay. Today's Friday. I think it's the 7th of May, and really today for me should be a rest day because I need one. But I've come out and I was hoping to do another 100 mile ride, but nah, it's not going to happen. So I've set out, I've got a route in mind, I'm all loaded up, got my food, all my drink, all that sort of stuff. But I'm going to listen to the body because I just feel like I've maybe got a bit of a cold and been sneezing a little bit. But what it is, it's just because I'm at the end of this 3rd week block. Basically like 2 sessions to do. 3 I suppose. No, 2. I was going to do 2 sessions. I'd scheduled one on Saturday, one on Sunday, but because the weather's meant to be bad over the weekend, I thought let's come out today and see if I can get another 100 done, but it's not happening. So my chronic training load CTL today was 70. It's creeping up now. Can't remember what the acute training load is, it's 80 odd. TSB this morning, minus 13. And the legs don't want to work. I've given it 10 miles. No. So, I've come out, I came through to Flimby, up the hill to avoid the front, through Seaton, down through Workington, High Harrington, and now I'm coming through, heading to Lauker on this road. And next on my route was Whitehaven, St Bees. I was going to go to St Bees because I've not been to St Bees, and then I was going to go down the coast towards Sellafield. What's it called then? Ravensglass. And then I was going to cut over to Coniston, Grasmere, and back. So from Grasmere back round Ullswater, not Ullswater, I always call them Ullswater, Thirlmere, round the back of Thirlmere, over to Keswick and back. Yeah, not happening. So I'm just going to come to Whitehaven, well Lauker first. I might go to Whitehaven and then I'll see. 2 hours will be plenty for today, and like take it easy today, rest up, and then see what the weather's like tomorrow and Sunday. 2 shorter rides. Well, when I say shorter, you know, maybe a couple of 3 hours, but they might have to be on the turbo, which I don't really want to do. Not because I don't want to spend 3 hours on the turbo, it's just that because I'm in a flat and I've got people below me, the people below can hear a hum, and I'm just mindful of that. I really want to get out into a house, but I've just got to be patient. So yeah, I've got normalised to 203 and I'm just doing 170 watts. So I've not been long here before. They should drop down soon. Maybe I don't think I'll go into Whitehaven. I think I'll figure out a way back. I'm going to go back over that hill and back round. Straight in front is what do you call it? Isle of Man. Over there, over the top of this hedge, you probably can't see. Yeah, I just drop down into Lauker, head back I don't want to do too much today, and then I'll just do some paperwork and stuff. But like, I'm feeling too hot or too cold as well. I just need to recover. Take it easy today, back off. So I've always driven past this and wanted to come and have a look at it, and now I have. So yeah, the road is just there, and then I'm going to head up to the top of that transmitter in a minute. I think it's that road there that you can see where the cars are, but there's a Roman fort here as well. I'm just going to go down the front and have a look at the fronts and as I'm wandering about and as I'm here. But it is nice and peaceful when we stop. Can you see all the terracing over there? So I'm going to head just down this way and just cut down the cycle path. There's a cycle path that was along the front part, and have a look at that, and then go back that way. This is a cycle route. So we've just been through Parton now. There's the sea. So you've got to see on the railway. I'm not going to go all the way because I don't want to go into Whitehaven. This is the Cumbrian coastline. See it behind me. We'll just stop here at this place here. National Cycle Route 10 or 72, depending which numbering system you use. That's looking back up the Firth of Forth, Robin Rig thing, wind farm, and there's a supply ship doing some maintenance. And then just around the corner is Whitehaven. Alaman there. I must get a train one day and come down here all the way down and do from Maryport all the way down to Carnforth and back. That's what I'll do. Right, let's turn around and let's head up that other hill and head back. So this hill I'm on now is a possible future Everesting hill, but the turning is not good at the bottom. The rest of it's okay when I'm light enough and fit enough. I also think it's probably too busy. Like with big stuff like that. I might go back down the cycle path, I think, down a railway cycle path. Just got to get on it. I think it's too busy, and it's Friday. It's probably about 11:30 maybe, 11 o'clock. Too busy, I reckon. It's not even flipping rush hour. Cars for sale, anybody want to buy a car? It's not a bad view, is it? Pretty clear across there today. This is looking the other way. There's definitely a railway across here because there's an old railway bridge here, and I think there's an open cast mine around here somewhere. It's looking across to obviously the Lake District. Snow up on the tops over there, which you might be able to make out. But yeah, it'd be a good place to live, that, wouldn't it? If you got back onto that view. but the better one is here at the top. Apart from you at the top of the hill. Right, so now I'm just going to pull my map out, look at my map, and figure out how to get onto the cycle path that goes down the railway line that goes into Workington. Just because it's pretty flat, and avoid the main road. And I don't want to go back exactly the same way I came, and I pretty much just want to go straight back. So you might be able to see it now the sun's on the snow. I'll put it in HD for you. Yeah, you can probably see that better now, just this little bit. Pretty good, eh? You have to excuse the noise in the background. There's a guy streaming. So yeah, too many HGVs on this road, but it drops pretty quick. I'm going to put you away because I want to get some speed up. Oh well, as you can tell, I'm not on the cycle path. I did have a look for it and there was a sign, but then it wasn't very clear, so I carried on up the hill, by which time I was like a third of the way up it, and there was another sign for it, so I thought, well, at that point we might as well carry on. I'll join it later, because that part doesn't just go straight back to Workington. It sort of zigzags, and the reason I don't want to go, well, we'll see. I might not go, well, I won't go the way I've come because the road was closed. I had to go through some roadworks where they got it shut and all resurfacing and all that sort of stuff. So wasn't too bad. I did stop and ask them. They were letting a bus through, so I figured it'd be okay for me. So back through Seaton, I just turned right at a little mini roundabout in High Harrington, cut across, down top end of Workington, past the police station, up through Seaton. We'll drop down into Flimby and back. So I've done over 2 hours, 2 hours and 4 minutes. So that's fine for today. Rest up this afternoon. Couple of hours tomorrow maybe. Maybe 3 on Sunday, maybe 4 on Sunday. We'll see how I feel. See what the weather's like as well. But the aim is for 500 TSS for the week. That'll be good. That'll be fine. Rest week next week, then retest. Make sure my zones are right. Make sure everything's right. Right, I'm going left here. So I did come up this way, but I don't think I pulled the camera out, did I, till later. Anyway, but I'll drop down the hill and see you in a bit. So back in Maryport, you have to excuse any wind noise because this blooming wind muffin sitting on the thing, on the camera properly today. I keep trying to get it on properly, but it keeps coming off. Hang on. Hopefully that's better. But yeah, just passing over little industrial bit of glass. Done 48.8 kilometres, 2 hours and 14, 201 normalised. It's 15 degrees, but it's still a really cold wind. It's like when it's sheltered, it's baking, well not baking, but you know, it's really warm. But then when it's not sheltered and you're into the wind, it's a really cold wind from the north. So just in time for lunch. Tide's gone out. It was up when I was set off. So there we go, all done. Thank you for watching as always. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and please comment and please hit the like button, as everybody says. So thanks for watching, take care, see you in the next one.